Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve CBSE NCERT textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. This is question number 3 from exercise 4.3, page number 88. Find the roots of the quadratic equations. In this first one given is x minus 1 by x is equal to 3, where x is not equal to 0. As they have not mentioned the method, you can choose any of the three methods, that is either formula method, middle term splitting, or making perfect square. So let us try to simplify the given equation and make it in the form of quadratic equation. So take LCM. So this will become x square minus 1 is equal to 3. So x square minus 1 is equal to 3x, cross multiplication here. So I'll get x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is our quadratic equation. So you can choose any method. Here this is 1. So we have to find the factors of 1 such that you'll get the sum or the difference should get 3. So which will become complex. So I'll go with the formula method. So compare the given quadratic equation with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then we'll get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 1. Now to find out the roots, write down the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So minus b means minus 3 here, minus of minus plus 3, square root of b square, 3 square is 9 minus 4 into a into c, 4 into 1 into c is minus 1. So minus of minus plus 1 I am writing, 2 into a is 1. So 3 plus or minus square root 9 plus 4, so that is 13 divided by 2. So the roots here are 3 plus square root 13 divided by 2 and 3 minus square root 13 divided by 2. So these two are the roots of the given quadratic equation here using formula. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.